What's up, everybody? I'm JB Bryant, and this is my wife, Katie.
And this right here is
Bootlegger Adventures. And there you go. See how easy that is? It's cold out here this morning. Well, it's chilly.
Cold.
I wouldn't just call it cold, but
you wouldn't.
It's good and chilly this morning.
Though those of us with iron deficiencies, we're shivering.
Yeah, you just got a busted thermostat.
Is that all that is?
That's exactly what it is. That's the reason when it's 95 degrees outside, you'll ride around with the heat on, but when it's 25. The windows are down. You're burning up.
And I want ice cream.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's fair.
Busted thermostat. Call AutoZone.
Not AutoZone. You'll buy it new. It'll still be busted.
Well, we got a busy day, guys. We hope y'all follow us along for all of it. We got to get this thing right here on the trailer. We're way behind. We've had a week.
Yeah.
It's been a week. We are way behind, but we're getting this thing right here on the trailer today. Get some stuff moved around. Get this thing out of here. For any of you who have never seen a car fly through the air, I suggest you watch this video, because that's going to happen to this one right here today.
Claw machine style.
Yeah, claw machine style.
My favorite part of our hauling days.
Yeah. Now, for anybody who don't know, we have kind of went into the salvage business too. Well, I can't say kind of. We're in it kind of pretty much full swing at this point. This one right here. Now, most of them, we deal in mostly full-size GM stuff. This right here is mid-size, and we've had it for a little bit, and we've been trying to sell body parts off of it, but body parts just don't go for as much. And they don't go as well. You see, we still have all the doors on it. We still have most of it around here
intact.
So this
we
one right
got
here,
this at a pretty good deal to
we did
snatch some parts off for another build we were doing.
Yep, that's exactly what we done. Well, we actually thought we were going to need the engine out of it. But turned out we did not need the engine. We just needed the intake off of it. So that worked very well. So, I mean, we got a good, really nice engine out of it. Good running 5.3.
Which is for sale if anybody's looking for a 5.3.
Yeah, exactly. But as far as the rest of it, I think we're going to just go ahead and crush it the way it is.
Get it up out the way.
Yeah, get it out of the way, because we store a lot of parts here, and we have a lot of full-size GM parts already around here. And with GM full-size being our main thing, that's what we really try to store in parts. Now if you had more room than what we have, and we have quite a bit of room, but
between this and our other property that we also store.
Yeah, right. We have quite a bit of room, but man, once you get to storing so many parts, you have to prioritize which ones are going to be worth keeping and which ones are worth letting go on down the road. So
space versus, reward.
So guys, y'all follow us along today. We're going to get this done. We're going to try to get that 2-door in the shop. We got some cleaning up around here to do. We got a lot of crap to do today. So y'all follow along, and I hope y'all enjoy.
Do it again? Yeah. Out is top.
Yeah.
Passenger side should already be on the ramp. You don't need to see.
Just gonna line up with it. Yeah, you're gonna have to. What's wrong?
On the chain.
Huh?
It's on the chain.
All right, hold on. Watch out.
It didn't roll it back.
All right, push it back. Need me to do it? Hercules! Hercules!
Step on the ramp.
Huh?
I unhooked it from the tire and then got it stuck around the ramp.
Yeah. Got it? Is it gonna clear over there?
It should be fine.
Ready? Alright, you wanna check it out? Check this side, check that side, make sure the back tires look like they're gonna clear good. We're not at too much of an angle.
It should be fine.
Alright.
Need to turn to the left hair so I don't hit that
Yes, I figured.
wheel well over there. Alright, come on. Come up with that little.
Huh?
So that should be it. Come on. Forgot about the damn gate.
Is it gonna clear it?
It's trying to hang up on stuff.
Wouldn't you been happy if I would have busted the windshield in?
Huh?
So wouldn't you been happy if the windshield would have caved in just then?
No.
Why not?
Because my favorite part is when the claw machine does it. That would have ruined my fun.
Ready?
Yeah.
What?
up there, guys.
Do what?
I was telling everybody that she's up there.
Yeah, she's up there. Now we got to do the little bit of work we got left to do to her, and she'll be out of here.
Let's see. Where are we gonna set you?
We're pulling the rear end out of this one, guys, simply because we have another Envoy. Well, I say it's our other Envoy. It's my mother's Envoy now. That we're going to convert over. This one right here does not have airbags. It has coilover, and hers has airbags, and you know, they don't work quite right. So we're gonna go ahead and take everything out from under here. That way we can swap it over to that one. Out of the airbag junk. Guess let's get us a jack. Sad thing is, that's the second one. You don't really know.
What'd you say?
The sucky part is really that we really need to back it back down here.
Why?
Because it'd be on good and flat. But it should be fine.
Well, the wind. We ain't got enough battery to do nothing else.
What are you talking about?
Back it back in.
I'm talking about the whole trailer.
Oh.
The truck and the trailer. Back the whole truck and trailer.
Will the ramp be okay if I back up?
I mean, yeah, but you're going to get hung up all up there again.
Just move the apron before I ever even move the truck. Pull the apron back.
It's not a bad idea. Here, I tell you what. We should be fine. Don't worry about that. We should be fine. We got these blocks, so. Really need to take this back bumper off of it. That back bumper's in good shape.
It's got a crack right here where it's got some scrapes and shit.
Yeah, definitely.
We've had a couple holdups.
Yeah. Just trying to be a pain. But we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. All right, we got her done.
She's up
on
there.
there. As you can see, we snatched the wheels off of it. We pulled the rear end out of it and the coil springs, because like I said, we're going to use that on that other Envoy that we have. I guess she's ready to go. We got her strapped down. Ramps are up. Everything's looking good. I guess let's go, guys, and you're ready to watch claw machine play.
Y'all ready to ride with us? Alright. Let's see if we can get y'all set up.
Still a little chilly out here today. Well, when you're not working. Working, it ain't too bad.
Alright, thank you. Leave it right there.
Yeah, I think we can manage that.
If not, tell me now. Just where's comfortable.
That's good.
Look, I gotta get situated. I always take the longest. We know this. Usually. Our children are worse than I am.
This is true.
Music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been.
For those of you guys who are just checking us out and haven't watched our videos before, we haven't talked about our raffle yet.
Oh, we have not. We have 10 prizes, guys. We're giving away 6 vehicles total, an engine, a transmission, a couple of cash prizes. It's going to be a great thing. 20% of it's going to charity, 10% to St. Jude, and 10% to the American Foundation for the Blind. And I mean, that's about it. Tickets are $25 a piece, guys. I mean, you can't hardly beat that.
The drawing will be December 21st, or when we sell out of all of our tickets. We're selling a limited batch. Or if we sell out first,
yes. We're only selling a limited amount of tickets, guys.
We want to have better odds than the Powerball. We want to have better odds than
we want it to be very good odds, period. We want it to be some of the best odds. So the way we have it figured at 10 prizes, 1 out of every 350 people are going to win something. There's going to be a prize handed out. So, I mean, that's what the odds break down to, and that's really good odds for, a raffle.
And to be able to say,
especially the stuff that we're giving away.
You won a whole vehicle.
Yeah. You want a $16,000 vehicle for $25, or you want a $2,000 engine, or $3,000 transmission.
A cash prize that was way bigger than the investment.
Right.
The $25 in the first place.
It's a wonderful thing, guys.
We're very excited for it. We've got a whole bunch of videos out about that. So go ahead and check us out and buy you some tickets. Watch.
One time.
Gently set instead of
flung like.
But as y'all can see, they're pretty full today.
Yeah.
So
no extra thrills.
No extra thrills. But y'all did get to see it bust through the glass, and that's one of my favorite parts. So that sound is so satisfying.
And for anybody who's just never, I mean, there's a lot of people, believe it or not, who's never been to a scrapyard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, just as a, hey, y'all never got to experience this before.
You didn't know cars could get picked up that easy. You got to go back across the scales.
Oh, yeah, duh. I'm already trying to go up front.
Done, and now we're here on our town square in Covington, Tennessee, guys. If you ever get the chance, stop up here. Theo and Rose ice cream shop is it's the bomb diggity. It's everything you want in ice cream. It truly is. It's amazing.
It truly is.
What's on the menu today before we even go in here?
I already know what I want.
What do you want?
I want the Oreo latte.
I knew she had came out with a couple more flavors. I forgot what they were.
She's got the Oreo latte. Sweet cream is back. Pumpkin spice. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, cookies and cream, perk me up, cinnamon, pumpkin spice, Oreo latte, watermelon, chocolate kick, honey habanero, horchata, lavender plum, kumquat, butterscotch, tomato delight, sweet cream, German chocolate, maple walnut, and butter pecan.
They all sound good. I think I'm gonna do since you're getting the Oreo latte, I can try that. And I think I'm gonna do the pumpkin spice and the perk me up again.
The pumpkin spice and the perk me up again. That sounds like a good choice.
That was deliciousness.
That was delicious.
So y'all come on inside with us, guys, and get some killer ice cream.
Hello. You been doing all right?
Doing pretty good.
Can I get a scoop of that Oreo latte, please?
And
That
I
sounds
gotta get a
delicious to me.
scoop of the sweet cream. I had it in my head that I was gonna get the Oreo latte, and then I remembered about the pecan fudge swirl, and I have to.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, you too. Here it is. Like we said again, hey, this is the best ice cream around. Point blank, period. We love this stuff. You want to try a bite?
Yes. Oh yeah.
Yep. Now our working day's over. We didn't ate us some ice cream. We're gonna stop and get us a little lunch on the way home. Boys will be home soon. We sure appreciate y'all riding along with us today, and we hope y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll see y'all next time. Appreciate it.
Peace out.